prepare for a surprise. Gmail, one of the most popular email services worldwide, launched on April Fool's Day. Yes, it's true. On the 1st of April 2 decades ago, Google unveiled Gmail as a free service. And no, it wasn't a prank, it was a game changer. In the beginning, Gmail offered its users the capability to store information equivalent to 500,000 pages of emails. That's 8 billion bits of information. It was an unprecedented amount of storage capacity at the time. It was a bold move, a leap into the unknown, yet it worked. Gmail grew, evolving from just an email service to an integrated platform. It adapted, innovated, and expanded, continuously enhancing its features and functionality. From threaded conversations built in chat to the introduction of Google Drive for file storage and sharing, Gmail was redefining what an email service could be. Gmail didn't stop there. It went on to introduce Google Meet, integrating video conferencing directly into the platform. It also introduced smart replies and nudges, using artificial intelligence to make email communication more efficient and user-friendly. Today, Gmail is more than just an email service. It's a comprehensive communication and collaboration tool, connecting millions of people worldwide every day. Reflecting on Gmail's journey, it's clear that it has always been about pushing boundaries and innovating. From its launch on April Fool's Day to the present day, Gmail has continuously challenged the status quo, transforming the way we communicate and collaborate. To recap, Gmail's journey from its inception to the present day has been a story of innovation and growth. From its launch on April Fool's Day, to offering unprecedented storage capacity at the time, to introducing new features and functionality, Gmail has continually pushed the boundaries of what an email service can be. Today, Gmail stands as a testament to innovation, a tool that has transformed communication and collaboration for millions of people worldwide. It's clear Gmail is no April Fool's joke, it's a game changer.